Everyone, hi Bacha Party. How are you all? Yes, you all are very fine and doing good job, great job. And you celebrated many festival and some more festival are going to celebrated by you people only, right? So hope you are watching the videos regularly and doing studies continue with the celebration right? So first, dear students, first I want to appreciate some students, those who are sending me their replies continuously, means they are very sincere, they are very disciplined, है ना? So they are sending me their replies continuously and they are doing fabulous job. So this time I prepared the list, so I cannot forget the names, है ना? So first I will start announcing the name, that Atharv Sukesh, Kavish, Sharvil Dindorkar, Anas, Rajveer, Ridham Thakur, Amatullah Easy, Som Malve, Mayur Rachor, Abhijit, Mayank Shrivastava, Smaran Mahajan, Samarth Dubey, Hriday Mahajan and the Riyansh Nima. These students of class 3rd, they are sending me the reply continuously. They are doing fabulous job. So this clap for them. And one more thing I want to tell you. Sharvil Dindorkar has made a fabulous video which is related on the Independence Day, and it shows some information and he act very well. And Atharv Suket also, he has done a fabulous job. He told to us, he informed us, he always respect your national flag because your recognition is with your nation only, है ना? So these two guys done a good job, fabulous job, and Riyansh Nima also made a wonderful drawing, है ना? So well done. Always do goodies in your life. Always do something new, something creative, something different, है ना? So always do good in your life. Okay. So now let's start the study. Our chapter number 4, our festival is going on. Chapter number 4, our festival is going on. Students, those who are not watching the previous videos, definitely they will watch this time. So a small recap I am going to take, and I will revise whole summary of the chapter, whatever we have done in our previous lectures, right? So our chapter number 4, our festival, we already started, dear students, and in these we are learning about the national festival, है ना? In this chapter you will learn the 3 kinds of festival. You will learn the 3 kinds of festivals. First one is the national festival, second one is the religious festival, and third one is harvesting festival, है ना? National festival is very much related with the nation only, है ना? We all are the pupil, है ना? We all are the citizen of our country, and name of our country is India, right? And religious festival means festival those who are related with the particular religion, है ना? So that's why these category is there: national festival, religious festival, and one more important festival we are celebrating in India is that harvesting festival, right? Harvesting festival means when the farmers, they grow the crops, है ना? They feel very happy when they will good crops, है ना? जितने भी farmers हैं, if they will get the good crops, definitely they will feel good. So when they will have the crop, they will celebrate the festival, है ना? So we called that the harvesting festival, ठीक है? Most of India is the land of festival, first one thing, and one more thing, India is the land of the farmers also, है ना? Maximum people of India, they are doing the farming over here. So that's why we divided the festival in 3 categories: national, religious, and the harvesting festival, right? So first we will talk about the national festival. In this category we talked about the Independence Day. Independence Day is the most precious day is in our life, because we all are the citizen of India. We all are the citizen of India, है ना. What is our recognition? हमारी पहचान क्या है? When you will go outside, when you will go in foreign countries, when you will go to विदेश for any purpose, for roaming and all, any purpose, what is your how you can identify? What is your identity? Your identity is that you are Indian over there. That time you were not belongs to any religion. That time you can identify by your nation only. अगर आप किसी दूसरे देश में घूमने जाते हो, या आप सपोज आप वहाँ पर रहने के पर्पस से भी जाते हो, किसी और पर्पस से भी जाते हो, वॉट एवर पर्पस इज देयर, वॉट इज योर आइडेंटिटी? आपकी पहचान वहाँ पर एक भारतीय होने के नाते, यू विल इंडियन ओवर देयर, राइट, है ना. सो फर्स्ट वी ऑल आर इंडियन, दैट्स व्हाई वी ऑल आर celebrates the national festival, है ना. In this category we talked about the Independence Day, है ना. India got freedom on 15th August 1947. Keep this date is in your mind. India got freedom on 15th August 1947, right, है ना. We got freedom for what? किस चीज से आज़ादी मिली थी? We got freedom from British rules. We got freedom from British rule, right? So what we are doing on this day? This question is definitely raised is in your mind, that what we are going to do on this day. See, Diwali to we are celebrating, we are burning the crackers, है ना. We are doing the worship of goddess Lakshmi, Lord Ganesha, है ना. So on this day what we are doing, how we can celebrate? So I am telling you what is the celebration on this special day, special occasion. See, the main function of Independence Day is held in where? Is held in New Delhi, है ना. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India, and the Prime Minister of India host the national flag at the Red Fort. Prime Minister of India host the national flag at the Red Fort, right? And he or she also address the people from the Red Fort. Address means वो एक भाषण देते हैं. Like you have seen in this Independence Day, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi, he has given a fabulous speech, है ना. He addressed all the citizen of India, all the people of India, ठीक है. So Independence Day is also celebrated in schools and the government offices throughout the country, है ना. We all are celebrating this festival because we felt very good, we feel very nice on this day, है ना. So what is the main program? Where is it held? The main function of the Independence Day is held in New Delhi. And New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of our country, है ना. In that day, Prime Minister of India, what they do? They host the flag, है ना. And they address to the people of India. They address to the people of our country, and our country name is India, right? So as well as Independence Day is celebrated not only in Delhi. Independence Day is celebrated not only in the Delhi, it is celebrated in all over the country. It is celebrated in all over the country because it is our national festival. It is not related with any religion. It is not related with any crop, and ठीक है, it is related to us. And who are we? We all are Indian. We all are Indian. That's why we all are celebrating Independence Day. We all are celebrating all the national festival, whether it is a Hindu, it is a Muslim, Sikh, Buddha, Parsi, whatever religions you have, you will celebrate Independence Day. You will celebrate Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated not only in Delhi, it is celebrated in all over the country, in all over the country. ठीक है? So in that I told you about the flag, है ना? I gave you the information about the flag. See, we have 3 colors on our national flag. That's why we called tricolor also. That's why we called our national flag tricolor. First one is saffron, है ना? First one is saffron. ऊपर की तरफ it is saffron color. Saffron color indicate to us about the courage and the शहादत बाय दी ऑल पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, है ना? जो भी फ्रीडम फाइटर्स थे, जिन्होंने भी हमारे देश की आज़ादी के लिए लड़ाई करी, फाइट करी, फ्रीडम फाइटर्स थे. तो ये जो सैफरन कलर है, इट्स इंडिकेट दैट, ठीक है. एंड देन वाइट कलर इंडिकेट अस टू पीस. वी डोंट वांट टू फाइट विद अदर, है ना? हम किसी भी दूसरे देश से, वी डोंट वांट टू फाइट विद अदर कंट्रीज. वी आर नॉट बिलीविंग इन fight. We are not believing in fight. We are believing in Vasudev Kutumbakam, है ना? We are believing in Vasudev Kutumbakam, मतलब सबके साथ रहना है. हमें किसी से लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं करना है, सबको शांति देना है, ठीक है. And yes, and the center Ashok Chakra indicates what? Ashok Chakra indicates to us that there are 24 spokes in Ashok Chakra. There are 24 spokes in Ashok Chakra, है ना? And these 24 spokes indicate us to work hard, to work 24 hours for your family, for your society, for your nation, for your city, ठीक है? This Ashok Chakra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yes, 24 spokes are there. Yes, these Ashok Chakra has the 24 spokes inside it, right? And it shows, it indicates us that we have to work hard for our country for 24 hours, है ना? And I told you that there are 24 mantra, there are 24 words in Gayatri mantra, है ना? That I made you learn in my previous lecture, and I told you I will give some more information which is related to this Ashok Chakra, and I wrote over here, and I wrote over here. See, we will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, है ना? 20, 21, 22 and 23, and one more I forget to write, that is hope. That is hope. Right? So we have 24 spokes in our Ashok Chakra, in our Dharma Chakra, है ना? And 24 words in Gayatri Mantra also. And see, I wrote all the 24 meaning of these spokes, or I wrote all these 24 things for you, है ना? I am not in front of the board, so you can see nicely, है ना? I will read from 1. Yes, first one is love. First spoke shows to us what? To indicate us what? Love. सबको प्यार, है ना? सबसे प्यार करो, किसी से नफरत नहीं करना है, सब अपने हैं. और we all are Indian. And second one is courage. Second one is courage. Courage means साहस, हिम्मत, हौसला, right? And third one is patience. Third one is पेशेंस, धैर्य रखो, पीसफुलनेस, शांतिपूर्ण, हम वी डोंट वांट टू फाइट फ्रॉम अदर्स, है ना, ऑलवेज बिलीव्स इन पीस, है ना, मैग्निमिटी, उदारता, कभी भी किसी का बुरा मत सोचो, सबके साथ अच्छे से रहो, उदार बन के, राइट, एंड गुडनेस, भलाई, जेंटलनेस मीन्स शिष्टता, इन हिंदी को वी कैन कॉल शिष्टता, सेल्फनेस, अपने आप को ऊंचा उठाना, अपनी पर्सनालिटी को, अपने व्यक्तित्व को ऊंचा करना, सेल्फ कंट्रोल, है ना, खुद पर नियंत्रण रखना, सेल्फ सेक्रीफाइस, अपना खुद का त्याग करना, सी सेल्फ सेक्रीफाइस मीन्स सी all the freedom fighter had sacrificed their life for what? To get the freedom, that's why this self sacrifice word is over here, self sacrifice, ठीक है, truthfulness, truth यानी सच, है ना, पूर्ण सच में विश्वास रखो, है ना, and what is number 12? Number 12 is righteousness, धार्मिकता, सच्चाई, 13 justice, 14 mercy, दया करना, 15 gracefulness, दया के भाव रखना, ठीक है, 16 humility, विनम्रता, विनय रखना, ठीक है, empathy, हमदर्दी, सहनुभूति, ठीक है, एंड 18 पे सिंपैथी इज आल्सो सहनुभूति, स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज मीन्स आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान जो हमारे पूर्वजों को, हमारे ऋषि मुनियों को हुआ करता था, मॉरल वैल्यूज मतलब मॉरल इन हिंदी, सी यू आर लर्निंग इन मॉरल वैल्यू बुक ना, यू हैव मॉरल वैल्यू बुक, है ना, वैल्यू एजुकेशन, यू आर कॉलिंग दैट, वैल्यू मीन्स व्हाट, वैल्यू मीन्स मूल्य, नैतिकता, अच्छी बातें सीखना, अच्छाई सीखना, स्पिरिचुअल विजडम मतलब आध्यात्मिक बुद्धिमत्ता, आध्यात्मिक सी, आज जो ऋषि मुनि थे, वी हैड ऑल द ऋषि मुनिज ना, वो क्या करते थे, वो भगवान की खोज में जंगलों में निकल जाते थे और वहाँ से बहुत सारा ज्ञान उनको मिलता था, उसी को बोलते हैं स्पिरिचुअल विजडम, ठीक है, द फियर ऑफ गॉड, हाँ एक चीज तो है, वी ऑल आर अफ्रेड फ्रॉम वन सुप्रीम पावर, हम सब एक चीज में बिलीव करते हैं, यस गॉड इज देयर, है ना, सब भगवान सबके साथ हैं, ठीक है, सो बट वी ऑल आर अफ्रेड फ्रॉम गॉड ऑल्सो, हम सब भगवान से डरते भी हैं, है ना, सो द फियर ऑफ गॉड, है ना, फेथ, होप, देन फेथ मीन्स विश्वास रखना अपने आप पर, बिलीव मीन्स भी विश्वास ही होता है, फेथ और बिलीव का एक इससे लगभग सिमिलर ही वो होता है, एंड होप मीन्स आशा, हमें जीवन में कभी भी निराश नहीं होना है ना, सो दीज ऑल आर the words which is related to all these spokes, these 24 spokes and these 24 messages, these 24 spokes are there in our national flag, है ना, is in Ashok Chakra, है ना, and here I wrote all the 24 information, here I wrote all the 24 information, ठीक है, every information is related to each and every spoke, right, यहाँ पर जितनी भी स्पोक्स बनी है ना बेटा, उन सब से रिलेटेड एक मैसेज यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा है, आई होप यू विल note down this all information and you will write in your EVS and you will draw this Ashok Chakra, है ना, you will draw the picture of this Ashok Chakra and Dharma Chakra and you will write all these 24 messages, which is related to each and every spoke, right, so I think I explained all things about our national flag, and one is green color indicate to the prosperity, है ना, हमने कितनी उन्नति की, कितनी प्रगति की, how much we earned from 1947 to till 2020, it shows that, it indicates that, right, so I explained all things about national flag, whatever is related to the national flag, I explained all those things, right? And you will note down all these things in your EVS notebook. First, what you will do? First, you will draw the picture of Ashok Chakra, right? Then what you will do? Then you will write these things number by number, 1, 2, 3, like I wrote over here. You have to write as like me only, है ना? So now I told you what we are doing on Independence Day. Yes, Prime Minister of our country, they host the flag, है ना, national flag at where? At the Red Fort in the New Delhi. But we are not celebrating this Independence Day is New Delhi only. We all are celebrating national festival, Independence Day in all over the country, in all over India. Right? And the Prime Minister of India address from Red Fort to all the citizens of our country. वो अपना वहाँ से एक भाषण देते हैं, एक संदेश देते हैं, है ना? So this all about the Independence Day. My dear student, keep one date is in your mind, is that what? We got freedom on 1950. Sorry, we got freedom on 15th of August 1947. Don't forget this date, है ना? And don't forget whatever information I gave you about our national flag, right? So now I am going to read these few lines for you. Then I will explain what is the meaning of these lines and what is written over here. And you have to do underline when you will watch this video. Get ready with your pencil and you have to underline all these things. Yes, first I will read. I am going to read about Independence Day, है ना? Whatever thing you have to underline, that I will tell you. Yes, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. So you have to underline this word, this red. Whatever is given with red ink, you have to underline this. Okay. On this day in 1947, India got independence from British rule. Yes, it is very much correct written over here. So you have to make it underline, right? Then turn the page, है ना? Then turn the page. You will see national flag is over here, and I explained each and everything which is related with national flag, right? Then I am going to read this wala part, this wala paragraph for you. The main function of Independence Day is held in Delhi. Yes, so you have to underline this line. I underlined only. मैंने पहले से किया है, आपको भी करना है ना? So you will not forget when you will read the chapter. You will not forget this. ठीक है? The main function of Independence Day is held in Delhi. Yes, I already told you. The Prime Minister of India host the national flag at the Red Fort. Yes, I already told you. And whatever lines I underlined. Delhi Prime Minister hosts national flag and Red Fort. You have to underline these words. ठीक है? He and she also address the people from the Red Fort. You have to underline this line also. Independence Day is also celebrate in all schools, government office throughout the country. These three words, schools, government offices and throughout the country, you have to make it underline. You have to make it underline, right? So hope you understand about the Independence Day. Independence Day is the most precious day of all Indians' life. Now, second is Republic Day. See, Republic Day is also a national festival. Republic Day is also a national festival. It is related to a nation. It is very much related to our nation. That's why we are celebrating this national festival in entire India. So now number 2, Republic Day. Number 2, Republic Day. Again, this Republic Day is related with nation again. This Republic Day is very much related to our nation, to our country, है ना. It is celebrated by all the people, those who are living in our country, those who are living in India, those who are citizens of our country. They all are celebrating this Republic Day, whether it is a Hindu, it is a Muslim, Buddha, Sikh, Jain, Parsi, whatever religion he or she has, they will celebrate this festival, है ना. So first I will read whatever is written in your book, then I will explain to you. Line number 1 and 2 I am going to read for you. Line number 1 and 2, है ना. The Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. So what is important? The Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. ठीक है, we got our constitution on this day. So dear students, never ever forget this day, this date and this year, है ना. When we got our constitution, we got our constitution on 26 January 1915. Don't forget this date and this year and this month. 26 January 1950 we got our constitution. अब आपके दिमाग में ये बात आएगी, this question definitely raise is in your mind, then ma'am what is constitution? What is constitution? क्या होता है constitution, है ना. How we can get the constitution? Who made our constitution? Who is behind that constitution? Right? These all questions definitely raise is in your mind. These all question is definitely raise is in your mind. So I will give you the entire information about the Republic Day. I will give you the entire information about the Republic Day, right? See, first I want to tell you this, कि today this is enough learning to you. Today this is enough learning to you because you have to note down all the 24 messages which we have in our national flag, in Ashok Chakra, in Dharma Chakra. You have to note down all these information, है ना. Then one more thing, don't forget about the Republic Day. Republic Day we celebrate on 26 January 1950. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January 1950. We got our constitution, right? See dear students, Republic Day and Independence Day. Republic Day and Independence Day both are our national festival. Both are our national festival, but there is difference between day and date. There is difference between day, date and month. So don't forget, we got independent on 15th of August 1947. Don't forget this date, right? And we got our constitution. We are celebrating our Republic Day on 26th of January 1915. There is difference between day, date and year, है ना. So don't get confused. Don't get confused. See, I will explain you each and everything which is related to Republic Day. I already explained you about the national festival Independence Day in my all previous lectures, right? This time I am going to I am going to explain you about Republic Day. But before this, I am giving you a little work. I am giving you a little work. You don't worry about anything. This time you are not going to write in the notebook, but this you have to read first. I am giving you work to read these paragraph number 1 and 2. These two paragraphs you will read. This little homework, this some few homework I am giving you. Okay, then I will explain you in my next lecture, because if I will start this, my time is going to finish, my time is going to over, right? So in my next lecture I will show you, I will tell you what is the difference between Independence Day and Republic Day, है ना? Independence Day the Prime Minister hosts the flag, and Republic Day the President of India hosts the flag. So there is lots of difference, है ना? बहुत सारा डिफरेंट है, बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है. एक फेस्टिवल पे प्राइम मिनिस्टर होस्ट करते हैं, एक पर प्रेसिडेंट होस्ट करते हैं, तो ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. इसके लिए वी नीड फुल लेक्चर, वी नीड फुल फ्लेजेंट लेक्चर. देन आई विल explain you. I think this learning is sufficient for today. But don't forget, right now though we all teachers have the notebooks with us, है ना? We all teachers, you brought your notebooks over here in the school premises, in the school campus, right? So notebooks are with us only, with your teachers only, right? So this time I am not telling you to write in the notebook, but take a screenshot whatever we have done. Take a screenshot and keep that screenshot save in your mobile phone, right? And then when you will get your EVS notebook, then you will note down all these things in your EVS notebook, right? So this time don't forget 2 dates. Independence Day, we are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August 1947. We got freedom and we celebrate this day 15th August, है ना? And we got our constitution on 26 January 1950. That's why we celebrate Republic Day on 26th of January. So these dates are different, right? So I think this information is quite enough to you. We will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day and stay home, stay safe. When you want to go out, wear your mask properly. Don't touch anything outside, है ना? And keep study. God bless. Bye bye.